Welcome back. Today I've got this special dish for you. It is called yam porridge, and in Yoruba, West Africa, where I come from, we call it Asaro, or some people call it ebe, but the English name is yam porridge. I would like you to watch this to the end and see how to make this nice yam porridge. It's so easy and fun to make, and I promise you'll enjoy it. Come with me and enjoy.
Yes, now I finished this porridge, yam porridge. We call it Asaro or ebe in Yoruba, Nigeria. This is very easy to make. This particular recipe is my mom's recipe. And if you have your own you like to share with me, I wouldn't mind. Yeah, but I prefer this one because it's so easy, very quick to make, and is very tasty. You can tweak it however you like. You can add prawns, crayfish, you can add goat meat, any kind of fish or meat you prefer. Or if you don't want all that, you can just leave it just like that. Okay, and some people prefer to add a little bit of stew, which I've just done. But if you do not like the stew, you can skip that bit. Okay. Um, and as for me, I prefer to eat it with my fish. So my croaker fish, my air fried croaker fish is ready, and I'll just eat it with it. Oh my God, what have I made? I can't wait to dig in. Comment down below what you feel about this. Yeah? So I'd like you to like my channel, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified of any beautiful videos I bring out every week. And most especially, subscribe to this channel to support your sister. What are you waiting for? Subscribe now. Thank you and see you next week. Bye. Adepele's Kitchen. Asaro ẹlẹ́mìí méje. Mmm.